As you know, this is a Juul. Many of you are familiar with the devices. And today, the company's asking regulators to order 18 companies to stop selling look-alike versions of these devices. Let's look at some of those copycats. The company has filed a complaint with the U.S. International Trade Commission alleging these companies, quote, blatantly emulated the distinctive design of Juul's system. Juul wants the agency to stop the products from being imported, distributed, sold, and marketed in the U.S. Juul itself, of course, is a target in the FDA's crackdown over teen use of vaping devices, and that could benefit big tobacco companies. Juul's runaway success appears to be cutting into sales of traditional cigarettes. Piper Jaffray points to a Juul survey which looked at 19,000 Juul users and found 62% were smokers when they started using the vaping device. About 2/3 of them quit after moving to Juul. Here's the one-year stock charts of the tobacco companies. Shares of those companies are down between 15 and 27% in the last 12 months since Juul's rise. But since the FDA's investigation into e-cigarette makers like Juul, the stocks have either rebounded or seen their sell-offs slower. Analysts say many of those companies are also talking about vaping on earnings calls much more often. Guys, back to you.
So let me ask you, maybe you don't know, maybe you do. Does Juul make more money by selling the device or by selling the vape juice?
That's a great question. I'm not sure about that, but they are certainly making a lot of money. Their valuation right now is about $16 billion. They have nearly 73% of market share, so about 3/4 of the market belongs to them. So they're definitely a disruptor.
So obviously, it could be that kind of razor blade model.
Yeah.
I just don't know, and we can find out.